Hey guys, this is Shiv, Android developer. In this video, we learn how to change app icon in Android Studio. Okay, now you can see the tic-tac-toe app icon is default icon in emulator. I want to change it. First, we right-click on the res file in project view, and go to new and click image asset. Now the new window is open. Then click file icon in path section, and select which PNG image you want to set as app icon. Image width and height will be 512 and 512 pixel. I just set icon inside the light line on icon models. Now you can see that green color layer. We changed it simply. Just click the background layer. Set a asset type as color. Now you can change the color code. Then click next on the bottom of the window, and please check source set is main. If debug or release choose at the source set, please change it. You can also check the size of pixels and DP. Then I click Finish and run the application. Now you can see app icon is changed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video. If you have any doubt on this, put your doubt on command box, and never forget to subscribe our channel. Bye-bye, friends.